Hello everyone and welcome back to ILE Love English Lessons with me, ILE Mum. And today I'm very excited because I'm going to introduce to you our new series, I Love Pronunciation. And I will become ILE Copperfield Mum because I'm going to teach you how to magically pronounce some really difficult words. Now, you might think that English pronunciation is a little bit difficult, and you're right. The reason why is because English is not a phonetic language, which means that you do not read all the letters in a word, and this makes it harder to pronounce. But today I chose 6 words that are commonly mispronounced by people around the world, even native speakers. And by the end of this lesson, hopefully you'll be able to pronounce them perfectly. So let's do it. It's a kind of magic.
Welcome to ILE.
Okay guys, so it's magic time. The first word I have for you is this one. Okay, a lot of people have difficulty pronouncing this. They say it as rare or rar. There are 2 R's in it, so it is difficult to pronounce. My trick for you today is, I want you to say these 2 sounds. Like this. Air. This is the schwa sound. It's this sound here, and it's the most common sound in the English language. So it is air. Now if you add an R, rare. Okay? I'm a mom, so I really don't sleep all night long. It's very rare. The second word is, some people would say world. Okay, it's not easy to pronounce. And let's look at another phoneme here. So this is a long sound, like her, but without the H. Now add the W sound, wa. Do not pronounce the R, so it becomes world. I have taught many students around the world, and this is how you should pronounce it, magic. Okay, if you have trouble pronouncing this one, you might probably have trouble pronouncing the next one, which is very similar but without the R, okay? So again, we go with the word. Okay, here you are. Words. I have taught many words to students around the world. Okay, and now the next words have something to do with food. Everyone loves food. It is, okay, many people would say vegetables or vegetables, but how can I magically help you pronounce it? Now, I would like you to add a D sound before J. So it becomes J. Vegetable. So here, this would be, yeah, vegetable. Okay, in fact, you don't need that. Vegetable. And the next word is not so healthy. It's biscuit. It is biscuit. The U sound out the window. Magic happens when you throw it out the window. Biscuit, biscuits. You should eat fruit and vegetables and some biscuits, not a lot, okay? And then I have the last word of today is denuclearize. Denuclearize. It's a very long word and you have probably seen it on the news or read it on newspapers. This word is not easy to pronounce because it's quite long, okay? I wrote it with an S because I'm teaching you British English, but you can find it written with a Z, which means that it's American English. It's perfectly fine. And I've watched a video the other day of the President of the United States, and he didn't say the whole words. He said denuke, denuke. So it's a diminutive, denuke, like hippopotamus. You can say hippo. Hippo, denuke. It makes your life easier and it's a little magic trick for when you cannot pronounce very long words. So if you find these words difficult, if you cannot pronounce them all, don't worry. They might be difficult for everyone, even the President of the United States. Alright everyone, so we looked at these 6 words and some of the sounds on the phonemic chart. We will look at this in more detail later on in our pronunciation series, but I would really like to point out the schwa, which is the most common sound in the English language. So like it's a sound where you do not move your lips. So banana, banana, rare, rare, air. So another one without the R, air, air. Then we looked at her, so her. These here mean that they are long sounds, okay? So these are all the vowels with long sounds, and world, word are words which have 2 long vowels, okay? Then for vegetables, we looked at the j, like journey, journey, journey. So you write it like here, journey, and you add the D sound before it, j. Okay guys, so I'm really not a magician and all the magic comes from this baby here, the phonemic chart. It's a very handy tool when you study, because if you know the phonemes, if you know the sounds, you can go on the dictionary and you can see how all the words are pronounced. So I will link a very good interactive online phonemic chart that you can use. I will link it down below in the description, and you can play with it, you can try it out, and I will certainly do another lesson for you about these, and we will look at all the vowels and consonants and all of the sounds. Thank you. Okay everyone, so the magic is over. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope it helped you improve your pronunciation of the 6 words that I showed you. And if you want to learn English in a flexible and convenient way, I suggest that you check out ILE's online lessons. If you have some extra time this summer and you want to learn English while having a great time and having a holiday, check out Multilingua. They are a lovely school in Malta with very professional teachers, native teachers, friendly atmosphere. Multilingua also have a YouTube channel. I'll leave all the information in the description for you, and check out their content and say hi to Abby and Brian, my very good friends. And ILE yourselves, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave us a thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't. We're always looking to improve, so feel free to leave comments, questions, suggestions. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Welcome to ILE.